Joe Mackenzie here. I wanted to talk today about influences and how we use them and how they're useful and how they are also can be a detriment. I looked at lots of videos of watercolor skies over the last few days, and what tends to happen to me when I do that is I assimilate all that information in my head, and then when I sit down in front of the easel, what happens is I end up with sort of a hybrid, a real mishmash of everything that I watched on YouTube in the demonstration and my own personal style. So learning happens, but success doesn't. So let's take a look at what that means. Here's a picture that I wanted to work from, which is from the morgue file. So I'm interested in clouds. That was the point, and dramatic clouds. All right. So after looking at the YouTube videos, this is the sky that I came up with, and I'm using a round brush here. Yeah, and some people might prefer this to the painting that I'm going to show you next that I feel is more successful. This is a personal style issue. So anyway, that was after seeing all the videos, and then I sat down the next day and said, remember what you know, paint the way you normally paint. And so the first thing, of course, is I pick up a flat brush because that's what I usually use. And this is the painting that I came up with, which has simplified forms and neutrals balanced against color and limited strokes, which is sort of like what I like my painting to be about. So the reason I want to share it is because this might happen to you when you're looking at lots of influences. You do get influenced, but then your personal style will come through. And also to show that, especially on social media, that we often share the things that went really well and not the things that maybe were not successful. And so there's this false perception that every time you go to the easel, like you boop, 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 you end up with something really great, which is so not the case. I call my batting average 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 paintings. So there's at least one that's going to tank. And I almost like it when that happens because I know my next painting will be good. So that's my tip for the day. Remember, keep the whites of your paper white and your paints wet. Mask for value, mix for color. And come see me at my YouTube channel and at joemackenzie.com. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.